Hi, I'm May, the property manager at Hurstbourne Grand Apartments. Welcome to the neighborhood. Today I'm going to tell you the top 3 reasons you're going to love living here. Let's get into it. It starts with our unbeatable location. We're not just a typical apartment community, we're a park-like escape located in Louisville's East End corridor. Right off of Shelbyville and Hurstbourne. We're just minutes away from Tom Sawyer Park, Oxmoor Center and St. Matthews Mall, and the expanding food scene. It's booming. Within our community, we have 29 acres of ample green space, courtyards, and walking paths. Here, there's something for everyone. And speaking of that, let's talk about the next reason you'll love living here, our community. We have year-round events, a plethora of amenities, and an on-site service team. Let's break it down. We host food trucks, workout classes, spa and wellness events, and happy hours by the pool. And that's just a glimpse of the events we host. Our amenities include our resort-style pool with ping pong tables and an outdoor chef's kitchen, 24-hour fitness center with cardio machines, free weights and more, an Amazon hub, bike station, and tennis courts, a community favorite. If you step into our clubhouse, we have our residence lounge and a complimentary coffee bar. We also have a business center and a private workspace for our residents. And this is where you'll meet your on-site service team, ready to help you with all your needs and welcome you to your new home. Speaking of home, let's talk about the last reason you'll love living at Hurstbourne Grand, living space. When you're talking about your home, space is important, and you won't find better square footage anywhere in town. We have 9 spacious floor plans ranging from 1, 2, and 3 bedroom options, starting at 1,075 square feet all the way up to 1,775. That's a lot of space, inside and out. At Hurstbourne Grand, you get unbeatable location, unbeatable value, and unbeatable space. If you'd like to call this your next home, give our leasing team a call. We'd love to have you.